Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Rose Suhail and you are watching Arkan Times Daily English News. Today is Thursday, 14 November 2024. Today's news headline: Arkan Army AA suffers heavy casualties in Mongdo. Arkan Army AA abducted 6 Bangladeshi fishermen from Naf River. 2 Rohingya refugees were attacked by armed group in refugee camp. Details of today's news. It has been reported that the Arkan Army AA attempted to seize Battalion 5, the last remaining stronghold of the military council in Mutuji, Mongdo Township, Arkan State Member, on the morning of November 30. The Arkan Army AA launched a full-scale assault with substantial equipment and troops. The military council retaliated heavily, deploying both jet fighters and naval forces, which led to significant losses for the Arkan Army AA. As sources stated, the Arkan Army AA surrounded Battalion 5 at approximately 3 am and attacked with large weapons, machine guns, RPGs, and other artillery. In response, Battalion 5 defended itself with small arms, while 2 jet fighters and naval forces from the Naf River heavily bombarded the Arkan Army AA. This resulted in the deaths of over 100 Arkan Army AA members, with many others injured. Over 100 members of the Arkan Army AA were killed and many were injured in the jet and naval attacks by the military council. Additionally, some Arkan Army AA ammunition were confiscated by the military council. The following weapons were reportedly seized from the Arkan Army AA by the military council near Battalion 5: RPG-2, M22 Rifles 2, Type 81 Rifles 3, BA-72 Rifle 1, MA-2 Rifle 2, bullet bags 12, bullets 1000, hand grenade 5, and a walkie-talkie 1. On November 12, at approximately 8 am, 6 Bangladeshi fishermen aboard 2 fishing boats were heading towards St. Martin's Island when they were abducted by members of the Arkan Army AA and rowed to the island. The chairman of the Tangnaf St. Martin's Trawler Owners Association stated that fishermen were transporting construction materials to St. Martin's Island on 2 fishing boats, but were abducted by the Arkan Army AA around 8 am on November 12, 2024, midway through their journey. He also reported that he informed the relevant authorities, including the Border Guard Bangladesh BGP, the Coast Guard, and other Bangladeshi departments about the incident. Muhammad Muhyiddin Ahmed from Border Guard Bangladesh Battalion 2 in Teknaf stated that they have not yet received any information regarding the abduction of the fishermen. Additionally, on October 30, at approximately 5 pm, 20 fishermen with 15 fishing boats were reportedly abducted by the Arkan Army AA while fishing in the Naf River near Shahpuri Island in the Jalliapara area of Teknaf, Bangladesh. On November 11, at approximately 2:30 pm, an armed group attacked a Rohingya refugee family living in Block F1 of Camp 7 near the TV tower in Kutupalang, Ukia, Coxbazar district, Bangladesh. During the attack, 2 Rohingya refugees were wounded, a woman and an elderly man. The wounded individuals have been identified as Mir Ahmad, 65 years, and Formina, 30 years. Both are residents of Block F1 in Camp 7 Kutupalang refugee camp. It is reported that the family was attacked by the Abdul Halim group, which accused them of having connections with the Arkan Rohingya Salvation Army. The attackers have been identified as Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Mujib, Ziaur Rahman, Abdul Halim, and Amir, also known as Muhammad Rafi. As sources stated, these armed individuals arrived with pistols and other firearms, entered Mir Ahmad's shelter, and beat them brutally with the weapons, leaving the 2 refugees in serious condition. The 2 injured victims have been admitted to Friendship Hospital located in Camp 7 Kutupalang, where they are currently receiving treatment. A family members of the victim stated one of the Mir Ahmad's sons were abducted by the Abdul Halim group and handed over to the Armed Police Battalion APBN 3 months ago, resulting in his imprisonment. He was abducted because refused the proposal to join the Abdul Halim group. Thanks for watching Arkan Times Daily English News.